Hi everyone, I just picked up this pocket organizer yesterday. So I cannot wait to show you what it looks like. Picked this up at the store. Let's see. So this is a green Taurillon pocket organizer. As you can see, the leather is pretty nice. It's a monogram essentially, and it's got 3 pockets for your credit cards, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 other pockets on the inside, and then another one right here. So it's a typical pocket organizer, but the reason I bought this is because I also have an Islam vertical bag that has the exact same color from the same material. So I thought I would get this to match the other bag, and it is made in France. I cannot wait to use this one.